What's up, my crypto legends? In this episode, we are taking a look at the Bitcoin price on the 15-minute chart. On the 1 hourly chart, we're going to discuss some different levels. Yesterday, we did mention this cup and handle formation, all right, and breaking the resistance point. And I did say, it is very, very likely we're going to go to the $61,400 range by next week, okay? The weekend has a lot of volatility. I hope if you took this trade, you didn't use too much leverage, okay, because we're still hovering around. We broke the support level to the downside, and now we're just going sideways. So this cup and handle didn't play out very, very well. A couple of days back, I did mention Bitcoin Cash, this cup and handle formation right over here, okay? And then if we broke this resistance point, that we would arrive to the $1,600 range. Also looks like that we are creating a kind of cup and handle formation here on the 15-minute chart, okay? The measured move from this breakout is getting the lower part here of the cup to the resistance, and from the breakout, guys, we could come all the way up to the $1,630 range, 1,600 to be conservative. Arrived just above the $1,600, as you can see here on the chart, guys. I just wanted to show you this because sometimes, it plays out nicely and sometimes it doesn't. In this case, Bitcoin did not play out this cup and handle, but Bitcoin Cash did, okay? We're going to take a look at Bitcoin Cash, and also we are taking a look at Ethereum and ADA absolutely exploding by the time I'm recording this video, okay, guys? I am in a swing trade on ADA, okay, just over 50% in a profit. This is a swing trade. I did mention this a couple of days back. I am planning to ride this all the way up to $2 and start getting some profits there, guys. If you are interested in trading, make sure to check out the PrimeXbt. This is my favorite day trading platform, okay? And if you use my link in the description and Bitcoinsensus 50 as the promotion code, you'll be getting 50% in addition of what you deposit. And if you are interested in swing trading, Bybit is my favorite trading platform. If you use my link in the description, you can get up to $1,610 in bonus, guys. All the information is in the description. If you have any questions at all, let me know in the comment section. Thank you very much for my last video. 196 likes, guys. Make sure to smash up the like button. Let's go to 250 likes. And if you are new here, make sure to subscribe to the channel. I do daily technical analysis on Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Said this, let's go straight into the charts. What's up, my crypto legends? Welcome back to another episode of Bitcoinsensus, where you subscribe for the quickest technical analysis on Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and the financial markets. Not financial advisor. Don't buy or sell anything that I say. If you do so, do your own research. Said this, let's go straight into the charts. All right, guys, zooming in here on the 15-minute chart, we can see that we did break out from this support level, okay, that turned, there was resistance, okay, as I showed you here from this cup and handle. We broke to the downside. Now we are in between this major resistance, okay, this orange box, and this major support, okay? As you can see, it's been major resistance here in the past and major support. So now the critical area is getting above the $58,500 range, and the $57,600 needs to hold as support here. Now, what can I say here in the short term? Let's just do some short-term technical analysis for Bitcoin. As you can see, I'm going to connect this low over here, this bottom here, with this one over here. And as you can see, we are getting actually a bounce from this trend line, okay? We have 2 points of touch here, one there, one there. Now we are created the third one. So it's very, very likely that we'll be getting a nice bounce and continuing to the upside from here. What else? We can also connect this one over here with this one and this one, okay? And you can see that we are in an uptrend channel. So very, very likely that we will be bouncing from here and finally breaking this resistance, coming to meet again this $59,500, $60,000 range, which is going to be very hard to break, guys. Let me go to the 4 hourly chart. Okay, I've shown you many times, but this has got to be one of the strongest resistance points for Bitcoin. Okay, we tried to break out many times right over here, many times right over here. This is an entire week here, another entire week here. We have also been here for about 4 or 5 days, and it held nicely as support. So then afterwards we broke below, and now we're struggling to get above it, guys. This breakout from the $60,000 range is going to be really, really volatile. It's going to be an explosive move to the upside, in my opinion, because it's so strong. You need a lot of buying power to break it to the upside. Let's go to the 1 hourly chart. And yes, this is what I'm expecting, guys. It is the weekend. It is Sunday. Tomorrow is going to be a great day. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, guys, and hit the bell notification, because I might be doing a live stream, okay? And we'll be talking about some other different cryptos. We'll be pulling out the charts, and we'll have a great time, guys. So make sure to subscribe to the channel. This is what I'm expecting for Bitcoin. So major resistance, major support. If we break the 58,500, we'll be coming back up to retest the $59,500 range, which is at this green box area, okay? If we break the trend line and the support level, guys, next level is down over here, 56,500, 56,600 approximately, okay? But I do believe that this trend line is going to hold and will be continuing to the upside. We'll be checking this out tomorrow. Let's take a look at Bitcoin Cash, because Bitcoin Cash, this was the high, the $1,605 approximately. We came back down, we broke this resistance. Let's take a look at the 15-minute. We broke this resistance, well, this support, sorry. It was heavy resistance, broke it as support, and then retested it several times. Okay, so this is a major level that we need to break. Once we break this level to the upside, which is the $1,460, very likely we are going to meet this high again, which is the $1,600. So once we break this, we'll be getting supported nicely, in my opinion, then coming back and retesting this high over here. So major resistance, the $1,460 for Bitcoin Cash. And if we break this support level, as you can see here, we bounced several times from this level. This is the 15-minute chart. We have this consolidation phase, one bounce over here, and then another bounce over here. So these are the two major levels to watch for Bitcoin Cash. The 1,460, if we break it to the upside, 1,600, the 1,280, okay, approximately. If we break this level, we'll be coming back down to 1,200, which is major support level, major resistance right over here. And it was the high over here where we created this peak right over there. Okay, so these are the levels for Bitcoin Cash to watch. We'll be taking a look at this tomorrow, very sure. Let's take a look at Ethereum, guys. Ethereum, okay, I pulled out the RSI. It is going absolutely insane. We've been just going higher and higher. Okay, what I want to show you now for Ethereum, we need to be careful because we are creating some bearish divergence here on the 1 hourly chart. Okay, we can see here the RSI, this was at the beginning of May when we were creating these highs, getting into the diamond reversal pattern, and we were creating this this bearish divergence, okay, right over here. The price of Ethereum was going up, and the RSI was going down, and finally we did have a pretty decent correction. This was about 8% correction. Let me just go from the high all the way to the low, about 8-9% correction. This what could happen right now, because we are creating these lows here on the RSI, and the price of Ethereum is going up, as you can see. So we could see a severe correction. We could have another leg up. This could happen. We could have another leg up, okay, to the $4,000. $4,000 is a major psychological resistance, in my opinion. So I do think we might have a leg up to 4,000, 4,100. No, not even 4,100, 4,030 or something like this, and then have a decent correction if we do not have this correction now, guys, because we are seeing, this plays out 70-80% of the times. Once the RSI goes down and the price goes up on the 1 hourly chart, we could see a 5-10% correction. If we did have a 5-10% correction from this high, let's just say a 10% correction, or between 8% correction, we come as low as $3,600. Now, this is very likely to happen because, guys, nothing goes up like this without a correction. So we can expect a correction for Ethereum in the short term. Also, if I take a look at the 15-minute chart, it looks like that we are creating this kind of pennant or ascending wedge. We are creating higher lows right over here, as you can see, and also higher highs. So we are in a kind of ascending wedge, which is a bearish pattern. We could break to the upside, we could break to the downside. The measured move, if we break to the downside, is all the way down to the $3,770 range, okay, which is very close. And to the upside, is the width of the ascending wedge, the back, and from the breakout, we could go as high as 4,150, the conservative target. But ascending wedge is bearish. We're having bearish divergence. So be careful, guys. This could even be a fake out, come back in, and then have a correction. You know, it is time to correct for Ethereum a little bit, in my opinion. This is what I've got. Tomorrow we'll be updating you with this. And also ADA. ADA is looking extremely strong, guys. I am in a swing trade like I showed you in the intro. We did talk about this ascending triangle breaking to the upside. You know, my next target was $1.90, but we came back in the triangle. We actually broke below it, no volume at all. So clear fake out to the upside, clear fake out to the downside, back into the triangle, and now breaking this resistance again, which is at the $1.70. Now we do have some decent volume. Okay, so I do think we are going to stay above the $1.69, the $1.70. Okay, because we have been turning it into support now. We should be getting a bounce from here because we have been getting some volume from this breakout. If you took this trade, guys, be careful. Don't use too much leverage. You know, my liquidation price is very far away. I am very bullish on ADA. This scenario right over here on the 1 hourly chart, you know, the fake out to the upside, then the fake out to the downside, back in the triangle and breaking resistance again is very similar if I go to the 4 hourly chart to this right over here. This is also an ascending triangle. Be careful, guys, with trading, and especially these markets, very volatile. Don't use too much leverage. Ascending triangle, boom, 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 boom. Looks like that we did have a fake out right over here. Everybody, I remember seeing other analysts saying, right, we were breaking out the resistance, you know, be careful with the volume, you know, time to play some longs, and then suddenly, boom, right down. If you use a lot of leverage, you know, your stop loss is usually behind this support level right over here. So huge liquidation price and stop losses around this place, around this area. So be careful, guys. Fake out to the upside, fake out to the downside, back into the triangle, boom, time to go to the upside. This is exactly the same, or well, not exactly the same, but very similar to this scenario over here. Ascending triangle, break out to the upside, fake out, boom, back in the triangle, break to the downside, fake out, and then back up again. Okay, so very similar, very likely that we are going to continue to the upside. My target, short-term target, is $1.90, which is the measured move here from this breakout of this ascending triangle. Okay, approximately 188, 190. So this is what I got for ADA. This is what I got for today's episode, guys. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for daily updates, okay? Daily technical analysis on Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. And if you haven't checked out the Bitcoinsensus website, you need to check out, guys. We've got the latest articles, technical analysis, news, and all different price predictions. You got Bybit review, Femix review. There's all sorts here. I'll be leaving a link in the description so you can check it out. And if you haven't seen my Bybit or my PrimeXbt tutorial, there's a video there. Thank you very much for tuning in, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.